In this demonstration, we're going to take a look at how to move items from the Gegi calendar to your SharePoint teacher website. So the first thing you're going to do is in your SharePoint site, you're going to go to your class calendar area, you're going to click on Actions, and you're going to go ahead and click on Connect to Outlook. It's going to ask you to allow content, which you'll want to go ahead and do, and you'll want to go ahead and say yes to allow this to connect to the SharePoint calendar. So now you have your SharePoint calendar showing up here. To make the view cleaner, I'm going to go ahead and close my normal calendar. So now I'm looking at just my SharePoint calendar. Once you have done that, you're going to go ahead and minimize Outlook, and then you're going to go over to the Gegi calendar. So on the Gegi calendar, I'm going to click on Subscribe to iCal/RSS. I want to highlight and copy the address that shows up in the box, and then I can close. I am then going to go back to my Outlook. I'm going to make sure I'm in my calendar area, and I'm going to click on Open Calendar, and I'm going to choose From Internet. I then paste in the address and go ahead and say OK. It's going to again ask me if I want to connect, and I'm going to go ahead and say yes. So now these two calendar items are directly next to each other. To move an item from the Gegi calendar and copy it to yours, simply just select the item and move it over. Take the next item, select it and move it over. You can keep in saying yes. I can then go to a different date, and you'll notice as I bring these over, I'm going to go ahead and move a little bit further here. It's automatically going to go into the correct spot, so I just have to drag it to the proper day. So once I have done this, I can go back now to my SharePoint website and I can refresh the screen, and now you're going to see that those items are showing up on my class calendar. So you can very quickly and easily get those dates from one calendar to another, and if you go ahead and click on the item, it will give you all of the detailed information will all come over. It does show up as a copy, so if that does bother you, you will have to click Edit Item, and you'll have to go ahead and take that out. And then you will just click OK. So that's how to quickly move items from your Gegi calendar over to your SharePoint calendar.